Thank you so much. May God bless you. And once again, thank you so much for tuning in into another wonderful episode of the Virtuous Woman Show. My name is Reverend Ruth Kayo, and I'm your host. May the Lord richly bless you. I don't know where you're watching us from. Are you driving? Are you in a hospital bed? Are you at home cooking? Wherever you are, we want to tell you that the power of God is wherever you are, and you're going to get something tonight that is going to bless you or to help you know how to reach out to a friend who could be going through the same thing that we are going to talk about tonight. We are going to continue with what we started last week. And for those that watched our episode last week, we talked about bleaching of the skin. But so many women are doing nowadays, bleaching of their skin so that they can look a bit light-skinned or something like that. So today we have a doctor with us. Her name is Dr. Lydia Waweru, and she's going to tell us more about how can you use safe cosmetic so that you can protect your skin from all these things that are going on, bleaching, and so that you can have a wonderful skin. She'll tell us more about herself. So I just want you to welcome me to the studio, Dr. Lydia Waweru, who is going to tell us more about this. But before we get into this, Dr. thank you so much for coming.
Welcome.
And may God richly bless you. Could you kindly tell us more about yourself so that we can know you?
My name is Lydia Waweru. I'm a dermatology specialist. I work at the Provincial General Hospital, which is now the Nakuru Level 5 or Nakuru County Referral Hospital. I've been working here as a dermatology specialist for the last 10 years. And I also run a private clinic in town called Nakuru Skin Clinic.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So what do you think lead people, even ladies or even men, to bleach their skin? Because this is something that is becoming so rampant, not only in Kenya, but it is all over. Yeah. And today you find it's not only women. Long time ago, it was only women that were known to bleach their skin. But even men are bleaching their skin. And what is it that leads to them doing such?
Now, there are various reasons why people choose to bleach themselves. One is due to peer pressure.
Okay.
You look at so-and-so and look, you see that they're looking good, their skin is fair, it's brighter, and you'd want to look like them. Secondly, there are people who have low self-esteem.
Okay.
So they feel like by bleaching, they will enhance their esteem.
Okay.
So this comes with esteem needs. Some girls feel like they would look better and impressive with a lighter skin.
Okay.
And there is also another group of ladies who would like to look like the whites.
Okay.
They admire Caucasian skin, and they feel like they would like to look like a mzungu. And so those are some of the reasons why people choose to bleach themselves.
And is it something that you, like now that you're a dermatologist and you deal with people, you see them coming inside the clinic or even the hospital, is it something that is increasing by the day?
Well, there's an increase in the use of the wrong cosmetics, which end up bleaching people by mistake.
Okay.
You choose a cosmetic that was introduced to you by someone else or in the supermarket or in the cosmetics. You're told this one will make your skin smooth, and it ends up bleaching you. Or accidentally. There are those who bleach, they want it and they intentionally want their skin to get brighter. So that one happens so much. We see so many people coming to us with the bleaching effect from the cosmetics they are using.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, because I wanted to ask you, is it, do they know, do we have products in the market that have these bleaching agents and people do not know?
We have.
Okay.
One of the products, some of these products are acquired from the chemist.
Okay.
They buy medicine that is meant for treating skincare conditions.
Okay.
They use it wrongly as a cosmetic.
Every day.
They buy from the chemists. Sadly, the drug regulating bodies in our country are not able to stop that.
Okay.
It's a practice that is happening every day. Patients come to us Our clients tell us, this is the mafuta I've been using like my regular cosmetic. Looking at it, it's a medicated drug. It's a steroid.
Okay.
And they tell you they buy from the chemist. Secondly, there are those that are acquired outside our boundaries. There are so many cosmetics coming to Kenya through Uganda.
Okay.
And most of them are not safe.
Okay.
They contain bleaching agents. And there are some that are sold in our cosmetics that are supposed to have small percentage of the bleaching effect, like the hydroquinone. You find some cosmetics have bleaching agents that are of very high percentage, higher than the required amount.
Okay.
Yeah.
How do does one get to know that this bleaching agent is above the required amount?
Ideally, bleaching agents should be prescribed.
Okay.
Yeah. Bleaching agents should be prescribed because we do prescriptions for bleaching agents for certain skin conditions. Yeah, there are people who come to us, maybe they've had acne. After we've treated the eruption and the pimples have stopped coming, they remain with very many black spots on the face. So there are some agents that we give to reduce the pigment. There are some who come with all other hyperpigmentary skin conditions that we prescribe bleaching agents. And so we know the safe percentage. Yeah. Otherwise, I would not recommend somebody to buy from the cosmetics, from the chemists, without a prescription. Yeah.
Somebody has to get a prescription from the doctor so that they can be able to know that this is safe for me or this is not safe for me.
Exactly.
Okay, because a lot of women have been duped, like you've said. They go to like even now, let's do away with the chemist, whereby they go and they get this medication that is meant to treat a certain condition, and you use it. A lot of women have been duped in this cosmetic industry, where this is supposed to be used, but like you said, is it the hydroquinone? Quinone is very, very high. And after some time, they come and they realize it's not what they wanted to go for, and they don't have anyone. They cannot sue anyone because these are some of the things that have come into our country through the back door. What do you think that it should be done to women so that we, with the basic knowledge, just to know that I can go for this one, this cosmetic, this one, no. It doesn't matter, but just the basic knowledge that you can give to a woman to know how to choose a good cosmetic.
So first of all, we need to take care of our esteem needs. Because in most cases you find these women who go for the wrong cosmetics for the wrong purpose is that they are not happy with the way they look. And so they are trying to change their looks, maybe to impress people or maybe to have a higher self-esteem, and that is something that comes with mental health. So we need to take care of our mental health, learn to accept ourselves, learn to like yourself the way you are.
You're right.
Secondly, when it comes to the choice of cosmetics, you also need to have some awareness regarding your skin type. We have basically 3 skin types. We have the normal skin, we have the dry skin, and we have an oily skin. So once you know your skin type, now you are able to choose cosmetics correctly that suits your skin type. And thanks to Google, because these days we have Google that will help you read about the ingredients that you find in a cosmetic.
You're right.
If you pick something from the shelves, you are able to tell that this product has this combination. Most of the times you'll find them indicating this is suitable for dry skin, suitable for oily skin, suitable for combination skin. That one you have seen.
Yes, I've seen.
Basically, that's the most important thing. After you've chosen one that is suitable for your skin, look at the ingredients. Be cautious enough to know that if you find a certain ingredient in a cosmetic, go to Google, read about it, get to know, is it safe or not? Yeah.
Wow. Thank you for bringing in the different skin types that we have. And we know about the oily skin, we know about the dry skin. And you mentioned something about combination to oily. What is that?
Okay. Normal, the usual categorization of skin falls under the three categories: the normal, the dry, and the oily. And normal skin is the skin that has normal hydration. The glands, the sweat glands, and the oil, the sebaceous glands that produce oil function normally.
Okay.
That is normal skin. There's the oily skin whereby the sebaceous glands which produce oil, normal oil to the skin, they are overactive.
Okay.
And so the skin becomes very shiny, it becomes blocked, and pimples appear.
Okay.
We have the dry skin that naturally those are people who have glands that are not very active. Underactive sweat glands, underactive sebaceous glands, they end up having a dry skin. Now there are those who have a combination whereby you'll find the face being rich in sebaceous gland is very oily, and the rest of the body is dry. You may find the face is dry and the body, especially areas that are rich in those glands, are oily. So you may find some people with a combination of both oily and dry, or oily and normal.
Wonderful. And you've said something very important, that before you begin to get a cosmetic that you want to use on yourself, get to know your skin type. And like going just to ask your friend, I see you look good in this cosmetic. You don't know if it suits you or not. It's good to know your skin type before you go even and get something that you want to apply on yourself. I believe you're being blessed, because this is very, very important for us as women, for us to know our skin type, to know that if I need something, I need for it to be prescribed by a doctor, so that I overcome the issue of me getting into the place where other people have found themselves, whereby they've bleached themselves without knowing. Kumbe, they were using a medication and they thought it was a cosmetic. We'll take a short break. We'll be back after this. But I want to tell you, tag a friend, call a friend, and tell them that the Virtuous Woman Show is on, and they're having a very wonderful discussion. We'll be back after this.